Hey guys, what's up? It's Kyle the Lawn Mentor here, and it has been around 13 or 14 weeks since I've been spoon feeding with spoon juice on this section of my lawn, and I just wanted to give you my thoughts on it and show you the results. One thing I've really enjoyed about this is the color. Spoon feeding and having frequent feedings of fertilizer has really helped to maintain the color on this section. I don't have any times where the color starts to fade in between applications or anything like that. It's been really nice for keeping even color. Now there definitely are some sections like this where the grass didn't fill in, but I don't fault that on spoon juice. There may not be a lot of Kentucky bluegrass in here that really has the ability to spread. Just looks like a salad bar of cool season grass. But I don't see a lot of things that would spread in here, but there are some bare spots, but nothing that can't be fixed without some overseeding, which is probably what we'll do on this section come this fall. I definitely have seen positive results from spoon juice. It has helped to keep the color consistent. It has definitely helped the turf to grow and fill in a little bit here and there. And overall, it's been really easy to apply this product to this section of my lawn. Now this section of the grass is only about 525 square feet, and so it's been a very small area for me to cover, but in terms of prep time to actually measure out the material, get it into my orthodilane spray, and then spray it out on the lawn, I think it actually takes more time for me to measure out 1.5 ounces of this than it does to actually get it down on the lawn with a little extra water to get it down into the soil. And I've kind of enjoyed not having to put all of the biostimulants on the lawn. Now I can't say that I didn't lose out on some benefits from some of those other biostimulants in the biostim pack, but this product has been really good for kind of an entry-level product. I think this is something that people could really use to get used to spraying liquids, get comfortable with spraying liquids, and make a routine and a habit out of it. So just for comparison's sake, let me show you a section of my lawn that literally gets nothing compared to the spoon juice section. Now, don't get me wrong, this product never was advertised to be a replacement for the biostim pack. This does have kelp, humic, iron, sulfur, a little bit of everything in it. So it's got a lot of the good things that we talk about your lawn needs to thrive. And it's all in one package, one liquid that can easily be applied. I like it. Now this project, this experiment that I conducted was sponsored by Yard Mastery, but that definitely does not influence my decision on how much I like the product. In fact, I bought a second gallon of spoon juice with my own money to use on the main stage section of my lawn because I liked it so much. So for somebody who is already using the biostimulant pack and maybe you're used to applying granular fertilizers, you might notice that in between your applications, if you're somewhere about 4 to 6 weeks apart on applications, that your lawn kind of starts to fade a little bit. And that's another great use case for this product, is an in-between fertilizer application. If you have any questions about spoon juice, if you'd like to know more about it, please let me know in the comments. And if you guys like the content that I've been putting out lately, one way that you can show me your appreciation is hitting that like button. I hope you'll stay tuned for the rest of the videos that I have planned for this year. And as always, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I will do my absolute best to reply to all the comments that I can. Thanks for following along on this project. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. I'll see you next time.